You know how many Muslims you even hit out? He's worse than that white guy. The one that's worse than him.
Why did you?
You know, if you did that, mate, he would have come out. He would have come out and just did that. Mark my words on that. After he just spoke to you like that, he would have definitely come out and said, why are you handling like this? Why are you kicking my bus? Why are you kicking my bus? And he would have come and like,
You don't call the police. Yeah, and always say that.
He said that to smack you in the head.
I just thank myself really hard.
That was good. That was smack in the head. Did he say you deserve it? He would say,
I don't know, I got the boss.
yeah, no, I think he said I should have smacked you in the head. I think he said that, yeah. Smack you in the head. You're really well, how are you black? Why are you blacker than him for? And he's black as well, but why are you, how come you're so much blacker than him? Huh? No, but you still were. How come he wasn't speaking to you?
Did he speak to you as well?
No, because he saw that I don't think he said anything. He didn't say it.
Yeah, but you opened
Yeah, but he probably most likely thought that was fine because